Okay, so you have this three virtual reality world, VR game world. Oh no. Okay, so you have this. Okay, nicely done. And then the idea is we want to we want to add a system to go between these scenes. There are many different ways to do it. I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it. Okay. So one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a little box. I mean, it could be any animated 3D model or whatever you want, but I'm going to just get little cube, okay, somewhere like this. Okay, this is my cube. Okay, and let's see how it looks if I play this. And actually, where's my cube? Cube is here, but I obviously put it somewhere. Uh, I'll try to put 0, 0, 0. I still don't see it. So let me check. Oh, it's underneath. So I have to put it up. Okay, put it up. And so X. So let's see how it works, how it looks now. I put it somewhere near that deer. So now I have it, that box right over here. Okay, this is our box. So I'll try to kind of change it a little bit. So I'll basically manipulate some numbers like this one so that I can make it like closer to me. So now my box is right over here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my box as a little teleport system. Okay? So this box already had a mesh renderer and box collider. So I'm going to do little like a trigger and then add a new script and teleport to teleport to, yeah, what I mean, I'll just put it like teleport for now. So I have this teleport now. Okay. And this is what I have. And then we are going to use what we already used it before. So basically my idea is I'm going to use Unity, the script which has on trigger enter. You probably used this before, like you probably in the past used it on trigger enter 2D, but this time we are going to use on trigger enter. So basically what's going to happen is whenever something collide into that box, we want to do something. Void, I'm going to say on trigger enter. Okay. You can leave it as private, that's fine. Okay. And then what I want to do is I basically want to, okay, whenever something collide into this, we want to use scene management. We want to load different scenes. So we should do something like scene manager. I don't see this here in recommendation yet, because if you want to use scene management in your script, you have to add, like using Unity engine dot scene management. And now once it gets added, we can use scene manager. Scene manager, and what we want to do is basically we want to load new scene. Okay, load scene, and parenthesis. You can actually use the name of the scene. So we do have BR scene 2, BR scene 3, or another way to do is you can go to build setting, and then actually you already, actually let's see. Okay, I'm going to actually remove these selections. So this one is at open scene, hello VR is 0. Okay, and then I'm going to add like 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm going to basically say 1. Okay, so whatever collide into this, we are going to load scene number 1. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay. And then we don't have scene number 1 yet. Okay, so what we need to do is I have to open save BR2 and S in, BR3 and S in. Now we'll go back to scene number 0, okay, and then just finish this one. So we do have now this teleport system. Okay, so if I just play this, my expectation is whenever I collide into that thing, I expect something to happen, but nothing happens. The reason why is player doesn't have any collider yet. So I'm going to go to my player, okay, player, and I'm going to add collider. Usually we use a capture collider, okay, and then you actually have to add rigid body 2D. Okay, I mean rigid body, okay, and then gravity 0. And I'm going to actually constrain some rotation. So sometimes what happens is because now it has physical characteristics, if you collide into something, there's going to be this force. So your character might rotate. So I'm going to play. And now I'll try to go. And now I'll try to bump into this. Now you actually go to this VR scene 2. Okay. And then you can add one more box here. Go to VR scene 3, or you can basically connect. You can put 2 boxes to go to VR scene and VR scene 3, and then vice versa. And one more thing I would add is I would have like if statement, if other other game object is player. So I would like put one more line to detect whether this box is collided by the player or not using the tag. So this one I would use tag, and I would use tag player, and I would use tag the player tag, and then like try to create that if statement. All right, that's how you can simply create little box like with the teleport system. So this doesn't have to be box anymore. I mean, you can have some like interesting like diamond or light or something, so that like you give hint to the player. I mean, that's the thing you have to find and collide into. All right, or it could be just like door. All right, that's it.